Today we're going to go over the 250,000 cycle maintenance. In addition to this maintenance, you'll want to complete your 50,000 cycle maintenance, which is in the description below. Follow that link and then come back to this video and we'll complete the 250,000 cycle maintenance right now. To start your 250,000 cycle maintenance, you'll want to go ahead and take off all your pallets. Do this, pull your lever back, release your pallet, go ahead and release the star or press start. Remove your next pallet. That way you don't have any lubrication. They'll drop on your pallet, your finished garments, or whatever you have on your pallets. Now I'm going to grab my can of VDM18 that came with the press, and I'm going to lube my aluminum profile that the print carriage slides on. Make sure that your print carriage is in the full back position. Using your finger, go ahead and pry the belt back, and what you're going to do is you're going to spray the lube over the outside of the round side all the way down the profile. Going to the other side of the print arm, I'm going to pull the belt back and I'm spraying in the notch of the square side all the way down the print arm. You're going to repeat this process on all your additional print arms until you're done. Then we'll go ahead and reset the password. Utilities, detectors, log. Typically here there would be a reset button. You tap reset and there would be a login. You would choose Technico. The password would be 1 through 9. You would hit OK, login successful, hit OK, and then you would end up having to hit reset one more time. Once you do that, the little maintenance guy is gone and you're ready to rock. Using a 2.5mm Allen key that came with the press, go ahead and remove the 4 screws holding the front cover of your print carriage off. Go ahead and remove your cover, set that aside, and now I'm going to lube all of my pivot points, which are in the manual, with the VDM18, in addition to the teeth that you'll see above here where it's actuated by the lifting cylinder. Now I'm going to go to the other side of the print arm and lube those same pivot points with the VDM18. Using a rag, wipe up any excess oil that may be around so it doesn't drop on your garment or on the pallet itself. Now I'm going to reinstall my cover with the 4 screws and repeat as necessary depending on how many print arms you have. Now on to the next maintenance, which is the lifting cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and push in a security bar, and with a 2.5mm Allen, I'm going to climb up on top of the press and remove the 4 screws holding the center shaft cover. Now I'm going to go ahead and separate my cover, setting it aside so I can access all of my holes in the center shaft, and I will be spraying lube in the direction of my nylon. So I'm going to be spraying inside the hole all the way around, and you're going to repeat this as necessary depending on how many holes you have in your tower. Next, reinstall the center shaft cover.